Yes, let's talk about the wallpapers for iPhone. While the stock ones are pretty limited, a search on the App Store will return a plethora of apps that you can download. However, trust me, a majority of them don't even deserve your attention. So just for you, we have curated a list of the best wallpaper apps that you can download on your iPhone and give your device a makeover it deserves. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech, and let's get started. So the first app on the list is Vellum Wallpapers, and this one has a variety of backgrounds to choose from and there are tons of options. Once you find your next wallpaper you wish to apply, you can either choose to apply directly or add some blur to the background before doing it. Now with all the icons on the home screen, I always prefer a bit blurred background, so it's an added advantage for people who share the likes of me. On the app only, one can see how the wallpaper looks like on a lock screen or on the home screen directly before applying, which is very convenient. The app also has some ads if you don't go for the premium version as a source of revenue for the developer, and that's just fine. Now if you've got the iPhones with the OLED screen, I would really recommend the OLED section. This particular section showcases some ultra vibrant colors and imagery on dark backgrounds that highlights the OLED technology, and they'll really look gorgeous. Moving on, the next one in the list is Wallpaper and Themes for me, and this one too has a vast category for you to explore. I like the Zen wallpaper section as they are so calm and peaceful, but hey, you're not limited actually. Now just tapping on the screen once, the wallpaper preview will load with some sample app icons just so that you can see how your choice would look like with the icons on it. There are some ads that can be removed by upgrading to the premium version, where you can also unlock special wallpapers. These special backgrounds are like combo packs for lock screen and home screen, where one complements the other, which is otherwise not available. Now moving on, the third app to check out is papers.co, and just as you open up the app, you are greeted with some random wallpapers. You can browse endlessly to choose, or just tap on the P icon on the top left corner to choose from a variety of category the app has to offer. And when I say variety, I really mean it. There's a shuffle button at the bottom of the screen that you can tap on to shuffle the collection every time you pull down to refresh. Once you tap on the image, however, there are not many options available here like preview or blur. You can just save these photos to your camera roll and apply them through the iPhone's setting as wallpaper, or the lock screen wallpaper of course. Now the next app in the list is Everpix, and this one provides you with some 4K wallpapers to download on your iPhone. Now I know that I'm sounding like a broken record stating that all these apps provide categories and all, so let me stop that. You can explore the app and all that is to offer. Let me talk about another app from the same developer called Everpix Live, and this one gives you amazing live wallpapers not only for the iPhone 10 or the iPhone 11 Pro, but also for the iPhone 10R. These are designed as live photos so that you can apply them without any additional tweaking. However, the free version collection is limited and you need to pay for the app to get access to all the great content it has to offer. Next one on the list, we have Wallpaper True 4K Full HD, which is also known as Wallcraft, and I know developer has done all that for the SEO. Now the app automatically detects the iPhone make and model and shows you the photos that are best fit for the screen resolution and type of your iPhone, which is really pretty cool. The collection is vast and apt for everyone's taste. The wallpaper can be previewed as a lock and a home screen before applying. Now some exclusive wallpapers can only be unlocked by watching an ad or by upgrading to the Pro version, and the choice is yours if you want to look at the ads or you want to pay for it. And now moving on, the final app on the list is ZEDGE, and well, this is my personal favorite, and the reason is not just the vast collection it has to offer, but also how easily one can search through the collection. You want sky wallpapers, you just search for it and you have it. You want them with the touch of red color? Well, the search button is right there and you will be served with the right wallpaper. The app also has animated live wallpapers you can unlock through ZEDGE credit, which you can buy or just earn by watching some ads or filling out surveys. The choice is yours. Now once you have selected a wallpaper, you can customize it using stickers, and then you can also see the preview of how it will look as a home screen or lock screen with icon or the clock on it. And once you're done, you just need to save it to your gallery and then apply. Easy peasy. I know, right? So friends, those were some of the best wallpaper apps out there for your iPhone, and I'm sure you'll find what you were looking for in one of those apps. As always, don't forget to share your valuable opinion, and if you would like to recommend a personal favorite, the stage is yours through our comment section. Do leave a like if you prefer the efforts, and do subscribe if you haven't already. And well, that's all in this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.